on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxydine Marine. Who's got the strongest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxydine Marine. Who's got the raddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxydine Marine. Who's got the fastest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxydine Marine. Starting with the carbon fiber Kevlar weave. CNC parts, man, it's built for speed. High flow water systems cool from heat. 100 miles an hour on the water, shit. Animal twin cat RTR. Fastest in the game, it's a superstar. And the Dominator model, man, it's just as hard. Superpower, self-writing, bright colors and all. So when you hear it on the water, man, you know they rip. The ESCs, props, it's lit. Strongest power systems on the market, legit. Oxydine Marine, no questions, that's it. Who's got the raddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxydine Marine.